flapping wings over dead seas, feathers ruffled by the breeze, looking down at broken dreams in the foam where lost hope screams. Feet sharp like a dagger's kiss, I see through the cold abyss. Regal Seagull stealing light, stormy skies fuel its flight. Fly high, chase the twilight, screech loud into the night. Regal Seagull never bound, soaring above the haunted ground. Hunger gnaws in endless tides, cursed paths where darkness hides. Waves crash the coast in shambles, yet the seagull never rambles. Oceans whimper silent plea, seagull mocks its misery. In the wreckage it finds its throne, regal on a sea of scroll. Fly high, chase the twilight, screech loud into the night. Regal Seagull never bound, soaring above the haunted ground. Fly high, chase the twilight, screech loud into the night. Regal Seagull never bound, soaring above the haunted ground. Hunger gnaws in endless tides, cursed paths where darkness hides. Waves crash the coast in shambles, yet the seagull never rambles. Yet the seagull never rambles. Oceans whimper silent glee, seagull mocks its misery. In the wreckage it finds its throne, regal on a sea of stone.